The very hot-selling Doosan X225 excavator is manufactured in South Korea in 2024 and only works for 500 hours. If you are interested, please contact me on WhatsApp and I will give you the best and lowest price.